The most powerful open source image reverse labeling tool is called Caption, and this is an update to it. So last year, we introduced two updates called Caption 1 and 2, and their power was unquestionable. In this video, we will see a test combining the most powerful labeling tool with the most advanced open source SOT level HiDream model, as well as HiDream's performance in tile scaling. Then let's look at the corresponding process. I'm using the RunningHub online computer vision platform here. In terms of workflow, I used the implementation from Teacher Hululu. The model was loaded with an accuracy of NF4. Of course, BF16 can also be used, but just for the labeling process alone, it would require more than 16 gigabytes of GPU memory. For regular use, it is recommended to load images using NF4 for inference. Wait, there's also an advanced optional node here. We can connect it or leave it disconnected. It's very easy to apply. I've made a translation here. If you want to apply one of the options in the translation, you can see the content. Just click to turn it on. Here is a special item that references the character name. For example, in the image regarding this female figure, what name would we like her to be represented with in the reverse inference result? For example, Lucy. Just type Lucy here. These three nodes feed into the JoyCaption BetaOne node. The first type of label is explained in detail on the Hugging Face demo interface. For example, if we use our journey type, it will adjust the reverse results to match the style of our journey prompt. Length is optional, and it's also recommended to choose one. If no selection is made in this case, you may get very short labels, and the default settings below can be kept. If you want to explore further, here are 3 explanations. Feel free to pause and take a look, and you'll get the results. Here, I tried to clear up the memory, but it may not work. If your GPU memory isn't large enough, using BF16 precision might cause Comfy UI to crash directly. Navigate to the AI on RunningHub, or click the link in the introduction to register and get 1200 HB. Log in daily to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow for the video. All AI applications that can be started with one click have been synchronized and deployed online, allowing online operation and testing. Then we see that after obtaining the text, it was inputted into the positive prompt. I'm using the 4 model from HiGPT, which is also the largest model available. The results were tested before. It is indeed stronger than the Flux model, but it's too large and too slow. Later, this model combo AI was natively supported and we could run it through official nodes. There are 4 amazing, massive text encoders here. This is also one of the reasons I used it in the reverse test. Load BAE. Reverse prompts can be inputted into the forward model, and here is an actual CFG with official recommended settings, then decode to get the result. Personally, I think the result is excellent because during this process, we didn't use more control tools like CN or Flux tools. Combined with the powerful text encoder and an advanced reverse model, we can easily achieve results very close to the original image. Let's look at a few more results. In this test, the images on the left side are all from HiDream. So this is a bent image, a human-shaped bull painted in oil. This result has the biggest deviation because it's no longer human-shaped, but the style is still there. Of course, even if we use reverse engineering to reconstruct a human figure from this image, it's also quite difficult. A ball floats in the sky, and a figure stands at the center of the canvas. This is an exact recreation of the objects and elements involved. The reproduction quality of this image is much higher, and in terms of feeling, I even think the material is better. Here is a tiger, and the final result is a samurai. The main difference still lies in the image generation model. But it's clear that JoyCaption BetaOne's performance is unquestionable. The Hugging model is definitely obedient, powerful, and versatile in style. This attempt to incorporate it into the block enlargement TTP process didn't work well, resulting in some unusual artifacts. If you have an idea, just try this process. Take a quick look at the installation. If you want to run JoyCaption BetaOne locally, you can search for it directly in the project or scroll down to find JoyCaption BetaOne. Here's the download link for the cloud disk. You just need to download one model, which is about 16 gigabytes in size. After downloading, place the file in the config model directory folder. If there isn't one, create a new folder. So most of the time, this channel shares open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. It brought down the prices of many popular models such as V2, Kaling, and Wanxiang. Some specifications were even lower than the official published prices. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that saving up bit by bit really saves money in the long run.